this uncle literally put his hand in his pants and pineapple नीचे झुकी. सोच रही थी जब मैं कैब में वापस आ रही थी कितना बुरा हो जाता अगर मैं उसके साथ चली जाती. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking in this video. Now I already know that you are eager to listen to the story, so without a lot of blabbering I'm gonna quickly jump into that. But before that I really wanted to say कि I'm not gonna reveal any name or the relationship of anyone involved in this video. By the way, this video or this story is something which is not related to me. I'm just a side character, but the thing is that I've witnessed this all, so I feel like it's worth sharing, and I have taken the consent of this person and she's one of my really good friends, so I feel like yeah, it's okay, like we can share, right? So this story is from last year in the month of July when I went to Bangalore along with my friend. Now let's name my friend something because of course I'm not gonna reveal her identity here. Her name, let it be Pineapple because I do like pineapple. Okay, so Pineapple and I are traveling to Bangalore because of some work purposes. Okay, and we were in the train for around 2 days, and so from Kolkata to Bangalore it takes like 2 days to go. Okay, we were really exhausted and we had this 1 day का break in between जब हमारा काम होने वाला था. तो let's say we are supposed to meet everyone or do that work on Saturday, but we reached there on Friday morning. So we have this entire Friday and then Saturday morning we are gonna meet them and Sunday we are coming back. So this is the entire setting and the timeline. Now this story is something which always will be in my head and I will always remember this because this is so hilarious, and it all happened because my friend Pineapple is like kind of a dumb, but she is adorable. I would be like, it's okay, Pineapple, if you're watching this video, shit like this happens, just forget about it. We actually tried exploring Bangalore as much as we could. So we went to go-karting and also this fish aquarium and everything, and then comes the beautiful part, which was the evening. So we went back to the hotel where we were staying and we decided to change the clothes and get into some beautiful clothes on and then just go out. I got to know that on Friday nights it's basically free for the females to enter the pub and all, and we were both females, so we got this free entry. Now already I had a friend, like I still have a friend, like she already lives in Bangalore. Pineapple is with me and another friend which is Lemon already lives in Bangalore. Okay, now what happened is I call Lemon ki Lemon, let's meet. I am with my friend Pineapple and I'm in Bangalore. She already knew that I was in Bangalore and stuff, and she came. Lemon came waiting for me in the pub area, and the Pineapple and I and Lemon meet, and then we are in a trio now. Now Pineapple, me and Lemon, 3 of us are together. I am someone who has never done any partying. I don't drink. I am someone who is the most seedhi saadi ladki you will find, and this Lemon and Pineapple are like good. They are good with everything. So apparently 3 of us did not drink at all. We were up on the first floor and then on the ground floor there is some DJ stuff going on, and I was someone who just don't vibe with all these things. So Lemon met me for the first time and Lemon was like, hey, you know what, I'm just not enjoying and all. And Pineapple on the other hand is a party animal. She loves partying and stuff, so she is vibing. Me and Lemon are talking and Pineapple is vibing, and then I don't know what happened during the conversation. Lemon, I and Pineapple go down into the dance floor. I am someone who just don't even dance. I don't know how to dance, and I was wearing this block heels. So we were towards the counter, like the place where they serve the drink. This night is actually filled with episodes, guys, like seriously. So apparently what happens after that, we go down on the dance floor and there is this uncle, like literally that uncle was like 45, 46 or something. Pineapple and Lemon and I was standing. This this uncle is behind Pineapple. Now what he does is so shocking, and I was like, I witnessed that. So there was a little shot ka glass which Pineapple was holding. I was facing her. I could see कि उसके पीछे क्या हो रहा है. Lemon is again towards Pineapple. Okay. Now Pineapple के हाथ से वो ग्लास गिरा and Pineapple नीचे झुकी because apparently वो shot का ग्लास was filled and वो टूट चुका था. And पैरों में जब वो गिरा, she just bent down to just pick or see or check. This uncle literally put his hand in his pants and then pull it out. I was like, Pineapple, we should go. And then I just grabbed Pineapple's hand, Lemon's hand, and we are on the side of the disco. Now what happens there? There are two boys who were constantly staring. We just realized that when we went to the other side, these guys were also dancing towards the bar counter area. So these guys also came dancing along with us on the other side. Now here what happens is, Lemon is like amazing girl. She already warned me कि किसी से eye contact मत करना, and I was like, सीधी सारी लड़की, मैं तो कभी गई नहीं हूँ ऐसी जगह पे, तो I had zero idea about that. Okay, Pineapple is vibing completely. Now I am here again. I'm in the middle because Lemon and I are meeting for the first time. Pineapple is with me, so I'm like the linking tree between all these two girls. Now this guy comes, these two guys come and they stand in front of us, and all of a sudden they start dancing. And I am someone who is very observant, so I'll be quiet and observe everything around me and all. I realized that they were signaling something. Lemon realized that they were signaling something, not Pineapple. And the main character of the story, by this time you already got to know, is Pineapple. And we were dancing for like 5-10 minutes. It was all normal, and I was wearing heels, so I was having some problem. Then I stood, and then Lemon also came with me, Pineapple, and these two guys are dancing. And then this guy was so happy apparently. What Pineapple told me is, he said that it's his birthday. Like that Friday night was apparently his birthday. We still don't know if it was really his birthday or not. I'm gonna tell you more episode that took place on that particular night. Okay, so then they were dancing together and they started talking. Meanwhile, Lemon and I, since I was having this pain in my heel, we got out of that, that pub, and we were like, let's go and eat something. And during this time, what Pineapple does is, I had Pineapple's bag because I was already standing and she was dancing. The Pineapple and these two guys, they go out and they were just talking and vibing and all. Now at this time, Pineapple is with these two guys. I am with Lemon. Lemon and I were talking, chilling, and we were in this restaurant around 12:30. Like this is around 12:30ish. Okay. Now this guy, he is asking Pineapple. On the other hand, when I was just chilling with Lemon, Pineapple said apparently what Pineapple narrated to me, and I'm narrating it to you guys. So Pineapple said that this guy was just take her along, and she said that no, I'm with my friend, apparently I cannot go, she will be so angry and all. So she was just humming my name, and then this guy is like, it's okay, you wanna go to hotel, I'll drop you. So when this guy say that I'll drop you, Pineapple thinks that he is saying कि कार है उसके पास, because Pineapple already told about me कि मैं हूँ Pineapple के साथ, and this guy must be having a car. So this Pineapple now said that where is your car. Now this guy said that I don't have a car, I have a bike. And then Pineapple questions कि अगर ऐसा है तो हम दोनों कैसे जाएंगे. What this guy does, so desperate कि उसने अपनी गाड़ी की चाबी अपने फ्रेंड को दी कि वो गाड़ी लेके चला जाएगा. This guy so चिपकू at this moment of time कि वो छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है हमारा पीछा. Around this is 12:45, 12:40. What happened is, Pineapple calls me कि तुम कहाँ हो, let's go home. And obviously I was also calling Pineapple कि घर जाना है, होटल वापस जाना है, it's too late, next morning we have work and all. Now this is where things get a little fishy. Okay, now this guy is just like a leech, not ready to leave Pineapple's hand or Pineapple, and Pineapple is apparently not willing to go without me. Of course we were together, so we had this responsibility कि भाई नए हैं, हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, no matter what, you're not going anywhere, and same with me. So I was with Lemon and this is already 12:30, 12:40. Lemon had to go back home, तो मैंने Lemon को see off किया, and I, Pineapple and this guy were standing, and then I said कि it's okay, me and Pineapple will go to this guy कि it's too late now, let's not like have this crap, let's forget about it and let's go. What this guy does, he booked this नमा यात्री वाला ऐप से एक ऑटो उसने बुक किया और वो ऑटो में करके हमारे साथ होटल तक आया. And in this particular time when we were traveling to the hotel, मुझे पूरा आइडिया हो गया था. सी आई एम समवन कि मैं उससे एक दो बार बात करूँगी, आई कैन सी और चेक कि उसके दिमाग में क्या चलता है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ही इज. Pineapple was freshly recovering from a breakup, so obviously she was emotionally vulnerable. Now this guy is trying his level best to impress Pineapple, okay, and you all know why. Apparently Pineapple in her head is thinking that this guy is actually in love with her. This is where things started ticking in my brain. Okay, I think I should name something to that guy. Let's name him, what is the worst fruit available? Let's say this is the dragon fruit. So dragon fruit is the name of the guy. Now dragon fruit is the guy. Dragon fruit, Pineapple and me, we were sitting together, and out of nowhere I text Pineapple, तुझे उसका नाम पता है, और I signal something, I don't specifically remember कि क्या हुआ था. She said no, I don't know the name of this guy. And guess what I did? I was like, what's your name? Straightforward. This guy said Dash Khan. And now warning, I am not promoting any hate or pushing you guys towards Islamophobia, but this is very important. Now this guy was just like bragging about Bangalore and how Bangalore is now losing its charm apparently because हम सब North Indians Bangalore में जाके settle हो रहे हैं, and Bangalore is having this startups and there is no authentic people. For 15-20 minutes I was just listening to this shit, and I was like, it's okay, let's not have a lot of debate on it with this guy because apparently we all know that we are not gonna meet again. Now we reach the hotel. Now it's already around 1 something at night. Okay, we reach hotel, and I was taking Pineapple with me. Apparently it's too late at night, so Pineapple decided to just stroll around. And mind you, I quoted that previously that this guy said that it's his birthday, which even today we don't know if that was the truth or not. So he was like, it's my birthday today, let's have a walk together and all. And at this point of time I was like, you know what, Pineapple, I'm done with today, I'm just gonna go up and sleep because I am not a party animal. I have to be at my home, I have to chill, I have to be on my bed by 10:30, 11 because that's my comfort zone. I cannot go out and party like entire night, that's not me. So I was like, okay, let me just go and let me just go in the room, you please stroll here, dur mat jana, apparently it's not safe, of course. So Pineapple just met Dragon Fruit, and at this point of time Dragon Fruit is just talking to Pineapple, and I am in my room. Now I am not with Pineapple and Dragon Fruit, I am alone in my room talking to my partner, and we had a fight कि already इतनी रात हो गई है, तू कहाँ है and all. And क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ हो रहा था, I was not in a correct frame of mind कि मैं उसे सब समझाती and वो समझ जाता. So I was like, turn off my phone and I slept. ठीक है. Now what is happening meanwhile with Pineapple and Dragon Fruit? Now Dragon Fruit is apparently convincing Pineapple to just stay and talk to him throughout. It's around 1:30 now. Pineapple को Dragon Fruit बोलता है कि let's go and cut the cake. It's just 5 minutes away from the hotel. Pineapple was so emotionally vulnerable at that time. She said, okay, let's go. And that guy said the truth कि हाँ 5 मिनट दूर ही था वो केक काटने वाली जगह. तो इसने क्या किया, इसने एक कैब बुक की और वो दोनों चले गए केक काटने, और मैं अपने रूम में सो रही हूँ, मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है अपना अलग. नाउ केक कट हुआ, उसके 2 फ्रेंड्स आए एंड उसके बाद उनका सेलिब्रेशन हुआ. At this point of time, dragon fruit be like, pineapple, let's stay together, together tonight. And pineapple was like, no, my friend is waiting in the room and she will be angry at me. And of course, like, I was waiting, I was all alone in the room, right? I couldn't just stay alone in a hotel room. So I called pineapple multiple times before I turned my phone off, but she was not picking the phone, or she was like, मैं बात कर रही हूँ and all. So I was like, let's not disturb, क्योंकि मुझे भी आइडिया हो गया था कि वो जा सकती है उसके साथ. So I was sleeping. Pineapple and dragon fruit are having a lot of conversation. Dragon fruit is constantly saying that, you know what, I have done this and that, basically trying to impress pineapple at this point of time. Now pineapple all of a sudden said, no, now I have to leave after the cake cutting and everything is done. Again this guy dragon fruit asked my friend pineapple ki no, please stay with me. Obviously pineapple will say, no, my friend is with them, like my friend is waiting for me and all. तो ये चीज़ बहुत देर तक चली एंड उसके बाद ना all of a sudden this guy started behaving very weird and made pineapple so uncomfortable that she decided and had to be so adamant कि उसको वहाँ से निकलना है. पाइनएप्पल का अब दिमाग चलने लगा, अब उसका दिमाग शुरू हो गया चलना, ठीक है. नाउ पाइनएप्पल हैज़ booked a cab, like pineapple was telling to dragon fruit कि let me book a cab. Now in pineapple's head what she is thinking कि जैसे वो लड़का उसको लेके आया होटल के सामने से वो वापस वहाँ छोड़ने जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली कोई नॉर्मल लड़की ये सोचेगी ना कि वो बंदा आया है मेरे साथ, मेरे को वापस छोड़ के जाएगा, बिकॉज इट्स अराउंड 2 at night. अभी केक कटिंग वगैरह हो गया, 2 बज रहे रात को. नाउ this guy started behaving so weird just because pineapple said no, that she won't come with him at that night. He started behaving very weirdly. It's an atrocious behavior from his side. Now this guy booked the cab from his phone. Pineapple be like, no, I could book and all and stuff, but this guy books the cab and वो पाइनएप्पल को छोड़ देता है. जैसे कैब आती है वो बस पाइनएप्पल को बोलता है बाय. एंड पाइनएप्पल नरेटेड कि वो उसे छोड़ने तो आया था बट विदाउट एनी विल, कि यार अब मतलब जाना तो पड़ेगा, मैं उस बंदी को यहाँ तक लेकर आई हूँ, ऐसा वाला सीन था. वो बंदा पाइनएप्पल को चढ़ाता है कैब में एंड अकेले वहाँ मेरी फ्रेंड पाइनएप्पल आ रही है वापस. अब इसमें ऑब्वियसली पाइनएप्पल की बेवकूफ़ी है. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग हर साइड, बट जस्ट इमेजिन समथिंग which scares me till date. What if this guy would have changed the tangent of the story, or just have done something brutal to her because she was new and apparently she was alone that night. Now all this shit is like over. Now this guy dragon is somewhere we don't know. Pineapple is traveling back to the hotel in the cab all alone. I am sleeping in the room already. At 3:30 or 3ish the gate knocks and I open the door. It's Pineapple standing abusing. तुझे पता है वो लड़का कितना? I was like, oh अच्छा क्या हुआ, मुझे लगा तू तो गई है उसके साथ, कुछ अच्छा हुआ होगा. And then she was like, no bro, ये हुआ है. And she was like, अच्छा है मैं नहीं गई and all. She had this epiphany and she was realizing कि कितना कुछ हो सकता था and all. And I was like, yeah, मैं उसके साथ क्या ही कर सकती हूँ. एक तो she was emotionally vulnerable at that time. She was obviously trying to move on with whatever has happened in her life. But this is something which was a foolish move from her side. I agree with it. She also agrees with it. Pineapple is very well aware about the fact that this was a foolish move, okay, and all, and that's how the story ends. The thing is, the best part about the story is that nothing happened to anyone. It's just a learning that Pineapple got, I got कि मुझे तो पता था कि ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, and already I have a partner, तो मैं ऐसा कुछ सोच भी नहीं सकती थी. लेमन भी अपने घर चली गई. Pineapple was struggling, तो उसके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता था. मतलब मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ वो बाल बच के आई है वापस, क्योंकि वो बंदा, पहली बात तो मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं है किसी पे भी, ठीक है. शी वॉज न्यू एंड शी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, प्रिटी, क्यूट लिटिल गर्ल, एंड उसके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता था. बट वो बंदा इतनी हिम्मत वाला नहीं था कि वो कुछ करे उसके साथ, विच वॉज अ गुड थिंग. बट यही स्टोरी को बताने का मेरा पूरा एजेंडा था कि तुम लोगों को थोड़ा आइडिया हो, अगर कोई भी यंग व्यूअर्स है, कि एकदम से कोई किसी को लाइक नहीं कर सकता. तो चाहे वो कोई भी पट्टी पढ़ा रहा हो या कुछ भी कर रहा हो कि मुझे तुम बहुत अच्छी लगी हो एंड ऑल, नो, they are so desperate just because they want something else from you. They just don't love you. Love takes time. Love blooms with time, right? So like 8-9 months already since this incident happened, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. So Pineapple is so the update on Pineapple is that she found someone who is so loving and she's at a very beautiful place in her life. I don't know about anything about dragon fruit because apparently I just met this guy for like 2 hours. And Pineapple was a main character. I was just a side character. Lemon is happy in her life and I am here narrating the story. I genuinely forgot to add this detail in the video कि जब मेरी अभी Pineapple से बात को लेकर डिस्कशन हो रहा था, तो शी वॉज लाइक कि भाई मेरे तो अतरी पतरी यही सब सोच रही थी जब मैं कैब में वापस आ रही थी कि कितना बुरा हो जाता अगर मैं उसके साथ चली जाती, जो चीज़ वो मुझसे बोल रहा था वो करने. एंड मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाती इस चीज़ को, विच इज़ ट्रू, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक अ ट्रॉमा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, दैट सम गाय इज बिहेविंग लाइक दैट, जो एक सेकेंड में पलट गया. लाइक पहले तो ही वॉज द वन मेकिंग हर कंफर्टेबल, आस्किंग फॉर ऑटो कैब की मैं लेके जाता हूँ, मैं कर दूंगा, पैम्परिंग हर फुली, एंड देन व्हेन शी सेड नो, द एंटायर बिहेवियर चेंज. ही जस्ट चेंज एज अ पर्सन. आई वुड से कि हुआ कि पाइनएप्पल को ये रियलाइजेशन वहीं पे हो रहा था गाड़ी में बैठ के. एंड शी सेड नो, फॉर सम रीजन शी सेड नो. उसने ना बोला क्योंकि मैं वेट कर रही थी अपेरेंटली उसका. आई एम सो ग्लैड, आई एम लाइक एक्सट्रीमली ग्लैड कि मैं हूँ वो रीज़न कि वो चीज़ नहीं हुआ उसके साथ. So that's how this video comes towards an end, and I hope you learned something, you enjoyed watching the story. Do let me know in the comment down below कि क्या क्या हो सकता था, क्या तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल रहा है after listening to the story. And with that, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm to see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe. कोई बेवकूफ़ी मत करना.